Sings the birds flying high above the city. Sings the birds, wings outstretched and eyes so pretty. Sea of green and a sky of blue. Oh. Sings the birds nesting high above the sidewalk. Sings the birds flying down, perch on a lamppost. Sun that sticks like super glue. Oh. Birds that fly through the night sky, they're going home to the call of the thunder. Stars ablaze, I heave a sigh, I stare amazed, I sit here and wonder. Sings the birds, whistling out a quiet bird call. Sings the birds, live without a care at all. Clouds are gray and morning dew. Ooh. Birds that fly through the night sky, they're going home to the call of the thunder. Stars ablaze, I heave a sigh, I stare amazed, and I sit here and wonder. The birds, they sang to me one night, but I didn't listen. I was busy dreaming about all the things that never mattered. But one thing that I know, it was beautiful. Birds that fly through the night sky, they're going home to the call of the thunder. Stars ablaze, I heave a sigh, I stare amazed, and I sit there and wonder. Birds that fly through the night sky, they're going home to the call of the thunder. Stars ablaze, I heave a sigh, I stare amazed, and I sit here and wonder. Sings the birds flying high above the city. Sings the birds, wings outstretched and eyes so pretty. Sea of green and a sky of blue. Ooh, oh.